Hey guys, today we are making this easy and quick and delicious chocolate dessert. Let's start. First, warm 2 cups of milk. Here I'm going to mix 1 egg with 12 grams of cornstarch and mix it very well. When the mixture becomes like that, we are going to add some hot milk. You have to keep mixing while you are pouring the hot milk so that the eggs don't get cooked. Now we are going to add this mixture into the milk and we will keep mixing again until the mixture gets heavier. Today's recipe is all about mixing. Now we are going to add 30 grams of sugar, as you can see the texture of it is heavy now. Put 100 grams of chocolate. Use dark chocolate or chocolate with milk. Pour it in cups and let it cool in the fridge for about 30 minutes. This is the final result. As you can see, it's so easy to make and simple. Please don't forget to like my video and subscribe in my channel.